Happy Bharat, happy world, rich Bharat, rich world. I am Kavya Shri, working in Kapilamarchi Numerology office as a PRO. Let's speak with Baba Pandurangam Garu, world's high-paid numerologist, excellent life coach and also yoga guru about a new topic. Hello sir, how are you?
Happy morning, great morning, good morning. I'm always happy and excellent. What about you, Kavishri?
I'm also fine and happy, sir.
Very nice, very nice. What is today's topic?
Today's topic is about a different topic actually, and I'm very happy and excited to know about YouTube only is the topic actually today.
Why you select the YouTube topic?
Yes, YouTube, because in other video you have said something about YouTube. So we will discuss about YouTube only. So how it will be in future years. So about lifetime.
Because every family have the one YouTuber.
2 or 3 YouTubers also there in each family also.
But YouTube is in coming future.
Okay.
It is going to close.
Yes.
What is the position?
How they will survive then? Yes. How the family members will survive?
They are the first life, the profession is chosen in the YouTube profession.
Yes, sir.
Is highly, they're poor to rich.
Yes, everyone is becoming rich through this YouTube only.
Yes.
So how the people will survive? So now next, what is going on in the YouTube? Please explain to us.
Definitely.
According to lifetime graph and Vedic numerology also, sir.
Definitely. So before this topic, everybody follow the magic bottle technique.
Yes, sir.
So simply and fastly, happily, every day, I got 1,59,36,999 in my lucky account.
Okay.
You can also take your lucky account through the online and offline also.
Yes, sir, lucky bank account.
In my lucky account, thank you universe, thank you magic bottle, thank you everyone, thank you so much. After this affirmation, I am drinking the holy water, the powerful water, the Amrita water and magic water. You can also practice the magic bottle technique.
Okay.
You can also achieve the health, wealth, relation, career, money and spirituality. This 5 sector, you can achieve 100% growth in 5 sector, health, wealth, relation, career, money and spirituality also.
Okay.
So you can practice this lucky stickers kit.
Yes, you can.
The magic bottle.
Yes, you can collect this lucky stickers kit from our office. The price is only 1,000 rupees for if you come directly, and courier service also is available. The price is only 1,600 for courier service. Please collect the lucky stickers and can become lucky. And we'll first get into the video, and the topic is very interesting today.
Yes. And June 1st also direct Vedic numerology.
Okay, classes are up.
And every Saturday, the online classes is going on.
Okay.
Every Saturday.
Vedic numerology classes.
Numerology classes.
Okay,
and
sir.
June month we will taking money power classes.
Okay.
And direct money power, online money power, palmistry classes, yoga classes.
Okay.
All classes are reopening.
Yes, for details you can contact the number which is given on the screen also.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can also take your children's lifetime graph. This is the most important because this video can awakening the subject of the lifetime graph, because nobody numerologist in the world till now don't say about the lifetime graph.
Yes, no one said. So now offer price also is going on for lifetime graph. Please collect the graph for only 699 also.
For not only human beings, this is going to your companies.
Yes, for business
your startups.
Yes, sir.
Your party, whatever.
Yes, sir.
So you can take the lifetime graph. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
Sure.
today we are going to discussing the life unlucky, unlucky name, unlucky mobile number, unlucky bank account number, unlucky vehicle number, unlucky marriage dates. Your life going to lucky name, lucky mobile number, lucky bank account number, lucky vehicle number, lucky marriage date. This is the growth mindset. This is the fixed mindset. Every time I am saying, some people are not changed the life because they are the fixed mindset.
Okay.
Don't change the mobile
They
number.
don't want to change.
Everything. Don't change. Okay? Right. So this is the Pancharatnas.
Yes.
And numbers rules the universe. This is the Vedic grid of YouTube.
Okay.
Vedic grid of YouTube. 2005, February 14, the Valentine's Day.
Yes, sir.
And this is the total calculation super code 5 and 5.
Okay,
Birth
launching
number
date.
is 5 and destiny number also 5.
Okay.
And this is the Raj Yoga, 1-2 Yoga and Sun Moon Yoga. This is the Raj Yoga. This is the Raj Yoga. So February 14, 2005 and May 13, 2025. This is the 20 years. Today also Raj Yoga.
Okay.
Okay. And this is the Mahadasha Saturn Mahadasha, Antardasha is Saturn and Mars. And personal year 2, it is called Moon. And Pratyantar Dasha is Mercury, the Buddha. And Gochara is 7 and Ketu. And this is the Vedic numerology grid.
Of YouTube, yes sir.
Starting grid, and this is the today's date.
Current grid, yes
Current
sir.
grid.
Yes sir.
And this is the YouTube. The name is Charlian 31. It is not a good number.
Okay.
And 28 also, this is a struggle number, depression number. And 31 also, it is not a good number. 68 is going to 5.
Okay.
So YouTube, his name is according to the eligible, February 14, 2005, it is going to 5 and 5. Numerology code, super code. So 5 number is the only eligible. The only the 5 number is the eligible for lucky number.
Okay.
And YouTube also is going to super code.
Okay, it was started launched in
Super code and super rich.
Super
That
rich
is the
also.
reason.
Okay.
This is the name of the YouTube. What is the lucky numbers? And this is the starting the numerology code, birth number and destiny number is Moolank and Bhagyank is a 5 and 5.
Okay.
This is the rare cases. This is the only rare case. Super codes are 9 super codes. Okay, this is the one of best super code.
5 and 5.
Okay, any company, any business startup, any startups, you can start this super code 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 1 and 1.
Okay.
These are the very powerful super codes. The 1 and 1 is the very powerful for marriages, very powerful home ceremony, very powerful companies are opening startups.
Okay sir, fine.
They very powerful. And today we are going to main topic is lifetime graph. Lifetime graph, main topic, YouTube lifetime graph. This is the YouTube lifetime graph. So you can watch the lifetime graph of YouTube.
Life events.
So 2005, 2012, 2017, 2027, 2038, 2051, 2059, 2075, 2089 and 2008.
8. Okay.
Okay,
Life events.
YouTube events. Okay, this is the 2012, the graph increasing, crossed the 3.2 and graph was 4.
Okay.
This is the cross, this is the edge point.
Yes sir.
And 2017, the graph is top position because in India, already 2016 September 24 launched Geo network.
Okay. Geo network, yes sir.
Network. Okay, that is the reason, and launched the Geo network, and 1 year also free subscription.
Yes, free, yes sir.
Everybody in India watching YouTube, social media, Facebook, everything.
And making reels also,
Making everything. That is the reason YouTube is the top position.
Yes sir, in 17.
And after 2017, gradually graph is decreasing. 4.5.
Okay.
And 2038, 2.2.
2.2.
So in coming days, YouTube gradually decreasing.
Okay.
Because of the Instagram, because of the Snapchat,
Okay.
because of the other social media.
Okay.
This is the reason. And gradually downfall.
Yes, sir.
2051, 1.2. After gradually increasing and
again.
2075 is going to 5.5. The history of the YouTube, the total top point 5.5. This is the YouTube lifetime events graph. This is the.
Okay.
And this 100 years lifetime graph.
Okay.
This is the 25 years. Gradually 2005, it's gradually going to 2024. This is the 19 number. Graph number is 6.
Okay, highest
Last
position.
year is the very good number came 19 number.
Okay sir.
And 2025, this year gradually 6 to downfall and gradually decrease 5.5.
5.5. It's decreasing
This
slowly.
is the reason in coming days YouTube gradually decreasing the graph in lifetime graph.
Lifetime graph.
And 2030, 25 years lifetime graph 3 number.
Okay.
And 2.5, 2031 and 2032 2 points and 2033 1.5, 2034 1 number.
Okay, it's
And
decreasing.
gradually see 2054 49 years YouTube is going to zero graph. That is the reason. So gradually increasing after 2055 gradually increasing. And top level is 2070 for 69 years.
Okay.
And 16 years is the top level also. And this is the graph. And 104, the 99 years 0.
Again graph is 0.
And 10 years lifetime graph. 2015 is top level. 2025 this year top level.
Yes.
After the 2025, the lifetime graph of the YouTube gradually decreasing, and 2035 one number.
Okay.
And below the edge point.
Yes, sir.
And after the 2035, the graph is gradually increasing, and 2045 the graph is going to 4 point.
Okay.
And edge point is 3.2.
Yes.
After the 2045, 2055 gradually decreasing and is going to 0.
It's becoming 0 again. Yes, sir.
This is the YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
After the 2055, again increasing the lifetime graph of YouTube,
yes,
gradually
sir.
Increasing, and 2065 the 5 point, 2075 and 6 point. After the 2075, the lifetime graph of YouTube gradually decreasing, 2085 is a one number.
Yes.
Totally last 2105, the graph is going to 0.
Again
This is the lifetime graph of the YouTube. And this is the 12 years, and this is the lifetime graph turning point. 2036 is 7 number, 2045 is 3 number, 2054 is 1 number, 2063 is also 9 number. These numbers are the different numbers giving the results in different way. The 1 number is good and 3 number is good, and 7 number is the difficulty and research number. Okay. And 9 number also is very powerful number, is giving very powerful results.
Okay.
Okay. And 7 number also lucky but research number. Okay, no 7. Money, lucky and research number. Okay. This is the lifetime graph of YouTube. So I am requesting to every parent, because you can take your children's lifetime graph, you can also very fortunate for your children. Yes. Not only children, you can also take your lifetime graph and your startup, your business, whatever your shops, business, companies, startups, your parties, you can take the lifetime graph of 100 years.
Yes, sir.
It is very guidance for your startup, business and your life also. This is the lifetime graph, is a lifetime map for your business and your life.
Yes.
Okay. Please like and share and activate the bell icon and forward this video near and dear. Thank you so much. Happy Bharat. Happy Bharat. Thank you.